Alright guys, so we're gonna start out today's vlog with going to the parts store. We gotta pick up a few things, well, one thing, to be able to finish the headlight part 2. That way we can get them in and finish up that project. And on our way back, we're gonna stop at the park down the road and we're gonna fly this this cheap drone I bought about a week ago. So we'll see how that flies. Don't get this, my car's messy. This was pretty bad.
You a fool for this. Yup. Deep into a dream when I wake to my alarm. Call the squad, I stay with animals like I live on a farm. Got green Jade up on my arm. Cop that shit from way far east. Go party, only fuck with girls who look like they Barbies. Can't complain, got a couple crazy things going on, but then again everybody do. So it ain't an excuse for you to use when you lose. Got grind and you'll find a way through. Yeah, this music's addicting, it's stuck on my mental. I'm good at depicting my life through a pencil. They tell me I need to step out of the box, but they don't want to let the dog out of the kennel. Put ultimate faith in myself, nobody else. That's just something you do. Fuck what you think. To myself, I'm a king of all kings, even if I am nothing to you. Pretty boy campaign, they calling me Kennedy. Sick with the spitting, no solving the remedy.
Y'all already know where we at, what we doing.
Did they move it?
Man, somebody come save this SVT. This thing has literally been sitting here for who knows how long. 5-speed and everything, fam.
It's not good. It's our sign. Are you glad we bought this car?
Dude, I'm so glad we bought this car. Look how, dude, it smells clean, bro. Dude, we got an engine, dude, we got everything we need, like literally. And anything we don't have.
The tail light, but I got an exact replacement tail light in mint condition for that. I got a replacement for that.
I'm about to say, anything we don't have, we can get it pull apart easy. I guess, dude, the rust actually looks like it got worse over this winter. To be honest, we should actually probably fix that while we still can, if that's the game plan.
I'm about to buy a new set of tires for my car, so I'll have 2 decent ones we can throw on the front. See, yeah, there's like, oh, I should have brought the endoscope. We could have fed it down in the combustion. We would have hit a
Dude, there's
valve.
spark plugs in it, dude. We might.
But look at this. We're not gonna get this one running. We can take the heads off and try that.
So much room for a turbo up in here somewhere, dude.
We got a thing, but when this is out, you know what I'm saying? Why that exhaust right here, Logan? Take that splash shield plastic out and come up here with it and put the turbo here and then wire right back down out.
Yep. Dude, our motor mount's not even on, dude.
Things literally just sitting.
You think we can get AWR to sponsor some motor mounts for this build?
Actually, no, because I already contacted them. They don't sponsor anyone, so.
Lame. Alright. Heck yeah, dude. It's looking good.
Oh, you know what I forgot? I keep forgetting this is a 5-speed.
Wanna see if it starts?
There's no battery in it.
Dude, the engine's torn apart. What do you mean? Oh, I'm gonna come get in.
Dude, like,
I'm literally just clap off my feet because look how mint this carpet is, man.
the back seat is in better condition than my car.
Dude, this is in such good condition.
The
Like,
headliner
is messed up on the corners right there, but that's it. Sunroof's all good.
headliner here.
I mean, that's just some. That's simple.
Honestly, we're probably
spraying
gonna
tar.
take the headliner out
Yeah.
and spray it.
Well, I don't know. This is such a clean car, though. It has the Bose system and everything.
I'm not too fond of this, but that's what came in the older ones.
Some dude on a forum I just seen actually took this out and plastied up this black and it looked pretty good. What is it? Really?
But most people don't know about these.
Oh, dude, I kind of need this. Yeah, that's good. That'll work good.
Heated seats, guys. See, I wish my car had this.
A double?
The cigarette outlet. I have the double, but see how it's got a spot you can open it?
Oh yeah,
that way I could put like a charger in there and a little hook.
Mine, see, look right here. It comes with a line for your aux cord in there. Well,
no,
that's for charging. Mine has an aux cord, but there's
an aux cord.
You can put.
Mine.
Yeah,
I put one in mine.
Oh yeah, I remember you doing that. We definitely have to do it because I don't understand how this is supposed to. I really don't understand how that's supposed to work.
Maybe it's some media hookup. Well, this is just charging, and this is an old audio. Like this is old. Like this is some 04 stuff. Like was this factory?
Dude, I kind of need the ambient temperature sensor off of this car.
I don't have a dimmer. Oh no, this is cool. What sucks is getting this out. Like to change these bulbs. Like you got 2 Torx here, and then you got really strong pressure clips right here. Well, I've taken that out. That sucks. Look, it's got like a slip. Mine doesn't have that.
Does that one extend sideways? Oh, no. If it did, though. This is legit, dude. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, wait. Can we pop the trunk?
Like, the leather is nicer than my car. Like, from moving and stuff, I got, like, small punctures in mine.
Alright.
The pockets on the back of the seats, on both of them.
Pop the trunk.
Is there a key on it?
Yeah.
Are we getting like moisture in here? Like, why is that headlight have humidity in it? It kind of feels damp right here.
Yeah, a little bit. Intake.
It's dirty.
Ooh.
See all the oil in there? This is definitely burning oil. These gaskets are like worn to crap. Those gaskets are bad.
Yeah. I don't know, we're gonna have fun putting this together, dude.
Headlights have integrated fogs in them. See how this goes on?
Yeah.
This is what I'm worried about not fitting in my car. We're gonna have to do some custom something.
Alright, well, you guys seen the cars, a little update. And on the way to the auto parts store we go. Some headlights.
Usually we don't hear huge complaints, and I'd be amazed.
He says like 18 gauge or 16 or what?
20, 18 to 22.
You guys wiring in a radio?
No, we're putting halos
Halos in it?
in the headlights.
Okay.
Oh, show me what you got, bro. Show me what you got.
Alright, so we bought some waterproof butt connectors so we can get the headlight project finished. Hear those pops? Oh, so what's up, dude? That backfire. Just like it's perfect temperature for backfire. Oh. This guy. Guys, so we're gonna attempt to fly this. I need my phone. My phone's kind of dying, so we'll see how this goes. We might lose it.
Sorry, we got a nice open grass field. I don't think it's whoa. I'll just catch it out of midair if worst comes to worst. Alright, we're gonna get this set up and see if we can't get it flying. Maybe you guys will see some footage from it, maybe not. We'll find out. You sure you're ready?
Possibly. We're about to find out.
Oh,
Dude, that did auto launch.
that was auto launch? Where are you going? Dude, Anthony, go forward. What was that?
I don't know. Its head was off.
Yeah, don't let your battery fly out mid-flight. Gang gang.
That's probably why it's pulling it back. I think this would come in handy one day. It does.
It snaps. Now you know. Now you guys know it snaps in.
Let's go way out here.
Dude, the auto launch took it like 30 feet in the air at least. Well, maybe not that. Well, dude, it went pretty high. That's auto launch, dude. Jeez. You did not almost crash the drone into yourself, dude. You have it backwards somehow. How did it get flipped around?
The wind, probably.
It should still be in headless mode, so. Oh, what is going on? Let's get this thing away from me. Nice.
I got shit in my eye, my eyes watering. I couldn't see anymore. I was dying.